I took over our Meddyg home approximately 2 years ago, and we took the opportunity, we saw a niche in the market to specialise in dementia care here in North Wales. We've been very lucky to not have any COVID related cases in the home, and our staff have been exceptionally careful, making sure that they isolate in their own homes. But we knew at any point that there could be an opportunity where a staff member could come into contact with COVID or a family member, and they would have to isolate at home for 14 days. So these were challenges that we were constantly concerned about, and if it took out our specialist chef or specialist kitchen operatives, that we would struggle. And Apetito delivers a service where anybody can deliver, and the standard of food remains the same. We had a number of challenges before we approached Apetito, predominantly with competent staffing and consistency in staffing as well. There was a definite shortage in supply of appropriately trained staff. The whole process was 3 months from start to finish. From the initial phone call, we had another video meeting with the Apetito representative. We were ready to deliver the offering, which I said from 3 months start to finish worked very smoothly. They were very fastidious in making sure that they are wearing the appropriate PPE whilst they were here in the homes, obviously making sure they were washing their hands on a regular basis, keeping the contact to the residents to an absolute minimum. Whilst we did a lot of hands-on training, equally this would have worked over video link. I was very hesitant that this would be achievable within this timescale, but also with obviously the COVID-19 restrictions on us. But the Apetito team was very professional and helped us comply with our infection control policies and PPE, and enabled us to keep our residents safe. I think the whole Apetito experience has allowed us to make meal times an event, just down to the table layout, the setting, getting residents to sit back at the table. We want residents to enjoy their food and let food bring them a great deal of comfort and pleasure, and Apetito is enabling us to achieve that. The feedback from residents has been fantastic. We've seen plenty of clean plates, plenty of good feedback. I really feel like we're being supported. You know, Apetito brings a professional angle to our catering requirement, and to have that expertise on tap is a real comfort for us, and we really value that input and the support from Apetito.